Firstly, the engine did not start. Running late for the race, we simply sailed off the mooring bolt.
WNT. No, the halyard, Jim, the halyard. Good. Okay. Helen, we're going to need you out of there on the boat.
Someone goes in, we start racing, right?
Take that off to him. Take the halyard off to him. This is halyard. This one. Use the halyard.
I might do winch if I can't pull it. Okay, I think I'll pull it.
This moment right here might not look like much, but it was a hell of a jibe. We called it the Chinese Gybe. Nearly lost our heads.
Whoa.
I swear, you guys ducked just in time.
One side of the boat.